Hi everybody, how are you doing? I'm Mark, this is Get Knotted Paracord, and today we are going to be looking at the lanyard knot, or it's more commonly known as the diamond knot. It's really useful. You can put it as the ball on a ball and loop bracelet. You can use it as a decorative thing on a lanyard. You can use it for all sorts of things, but it does look very nice. And I shall stop waffling and let's get on with it. Right, here we go. I found the middle of the cord, wrapped it around my finger like that. I'm going to get the right hand cord, this one here. I'm going to twist it like this, and then I'm going to lay it on top of the other cord like that. So you got that going on, okay? Now with the other cord, the left hand cord, it's going to go under this one like that. Bring it round. Then it's going over this one, under the middle cord, and over that one. So over that one. Sorry, fingers in the way. Under that one. And over like that, and pull it out the way. Get that twist out, and pull it tight like that. So what you end up with is a figure of 8 with a hole in the middle. This bit here is the diamond part of the knot. Okay, now still with this cord that we've been using, you go underneath again, and this cord here, when it comes out from behind my finger, it goes around and up through the middle of the knot like that, and then the other cord goes around this one here and up, fingers in the way, sorry, up, oh come on, it's fiddly doing this through the camera. It goes round and up through the middle of the knot like that. So I've got it wrapped on my finger. I've got what looks like a mess, and I've got 2 cords coming out the middle. So now what we do is just carefully, gently and carefully, pull the knot together. Just squish it up, pull it together, mould it. Now I've got a little bit coming out here. I always get that actually, doesn't matter. Just take the slack out of the knot. Just follow it round. Oh, there it is, look. Like that. And follow it round. In fact, this is how to reduce the loop there. So all I'm doing is taking the slack out like this, following that cord all the way around the knot, till it comes out the other side. Pull the knot together like that. Now it's still quite loose, I could still pull it more, and I can still reduce this loop here if I wanted to, and I'll show you again how to do that. You just grab one of these cords here that come out the top and follow, see it goes in there, follow it through the knot like this. So I'm going to make a little loop here. follow it round. You also get to see how the knot works as well, how it's formed, which is quite nice. And it is quite relaxing actually, tightening in a knot like this. Pull it. There you go. See, I've reduced the loop in the knot, and there you go. Now, I could, if this was the lanyard, forget the bit at the top, if this was the end, I could cut, I could snip and singe right across there, or I could just cut the ends there and snip and singe, and there you go. It's completely up to you, but that there is your lanyard knot. Now, as always, YouTube would like you to watch this video up here. I would like you to watch that playlist up there. Look after yourself, everybody. Wash your hands, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.